So how to install CareU Routine Planner app, Daily Habit Tracker, and Self-Care. So just tap Get and then double click to install. You will be able to install this app. Plan daily self-care routines, build healthy habits and track daily progress, measure and monitor heart rate and HRV, check your stress and fatigue, piggy bank of self-care time, relax to sleep better and stress less, track your thoughts and emotions, start to have a nice day, be a part of CareU users and live a healthier life. CareU enables to unlock the power of habits and routines, build and track your health condition and habit, set goals, learn how to meditate and get peaceful time, build healthy routines. So build productive daily routines, plan and manage healthy habits, track and monitor health conditions, log daily mood reflections. So yeah, that's the app. This is very popular category of apps right now. A lot of people are stressed and all of that. So it can be quite helpful to, just maybe sometimes use this app and have some daily reminders. Uh, uh, so then and then you can just go through this app and then oh yeah, okay, so they're instantly offering you to upgrade, but yeah, maybe there is some free trial, so you can just see that. So here you can see also your heart rate monitors, your information like blood oxygen, like your healthy meals, connection with friends, family, exercise. So it's very kind of positive habits app like meditation, and then you just keep all of it here. Then you also have your timer, like how much time you want to spend on different things. So that's the idea. And then you just have all the different guides and probably audio experiences and all of that, and then you just have your profile. So that's just basically the quick guide what you can expect from this app. It's not yet in the top ranks of app store like Calm app or Headspace or some other apps, but yeah, it's interesting app to check out, so give it a try.